Can't the gold bars be gentler? The key is that you are so tightly wrapped. If I don't smash you hard, you won't come out yet. Don't smash you out. How do I make a bracelet for a rich lady? Look at these 100 brand new gold bars. It's really beautiful. The bracelet I originally wore plus more than 100 grams. Make a big bracelet to do it. Take another look. I'm about to cut it. This gold bar. You can see the packaging is really good. There is also a big. The workmanship is also more exquisite. But it didn't matter. It's going to melt anyway. You can't just take a gold bar and hang it around your neck. So what kind of bracelet does more than 200 grams make? Stop messing around with everyone. To 3 OG classic ancient bracelet. This is also the largest gram weight ancient bracelet I have ever beaten. Today's video is a bit long because I also want you to see. How about a 230 grams ancient bracelet? The first hammer begins to strike. Friends who have asked me for bracelets know that. Usually I knock no more than 10. I don't know. Some goldsmiths put a bracelet on and knocked it there. It takes more than 10 minutes to knock right or wrong after 2 clicks. I really don't understand, but not this time. Last home knocked back and forth many times. Just put it in this opium dispenser. You know, the current generation has more than 200 grams. It can really be called a golden hoop. See this step? It's all welded. It's just that it wasn't bought when it was full yuan. Because the way I bend with all my might, I really don't want everyone to see. The bracelet is now only polished. It's a crucial step. Whether it is good or bad depends on whether it is polished finely or not. In the words of the rich woman's sister, in fact, the more complicated. If it is not well polished, you can see it at a glance. And my standard is counter quality. After spectral detection, let's enjoy 230 grams of ancient method inheritance and craftsmanship together.